So this is the continuation of the first video I made talking about your entry after you get your signal and what are we waiting for. Okay. Now I want to talk about the entry itself. Okay. Now when you look at the Forex Trendy showing you something about the trend and what you should be looking at without even being on your chart, it's a NU is an uptrend, EU is an uptrend, and UJ is a downtrend. And now we've been following this EU as an uptrend. Okay, now we know it's an uptrend. Okay, even if we get a pattern signal, okay, we know the only pattern signal we're gonna take is when it brings a buy. But either the trend or the pattern, we just gotta be on the chart like this. And what we're waiting for our entry. Like we said in the previous video that whatever is uptrend is gonna be breaking the high, right? Good. But now we said, okay, you know it's gonna rise to break the high and pull back the next day. Yup, coming to the moving average. That is good. Your entry is right on the moving average. Now, what we're waiting for? The previous video, I said you gotta wait for a bullish candlestick going up like this one. One is enough. It's the sign of volatility. You getting it will go break the eye again and pull back the next day, coming to the moving average. And what I'm waiting for here, our entry is right on the moving average. We gotta wait for a bullish candle like this. Only one is enough. It's a volatility. We're gonna use it to enter and we're gonna let it ride on. Like I said in the previous video, if you're the one who wanna get your profit and leave, you target the next Fibonacci after the candlestick that is volatile. Now, apart from all these things, okay, now there's something you're gonna see that you know your entry is around that zone. You've seen it on the Forex Trend talking about the EU being an uptrend. Now, you on your chart, 1 hour right, 1 hour time frame chart, 1 hour time frame chart, you see that? Now, where is your entry? In the uptrend, I got some fractal here. When you see the red fractal starting from the low, this is your entry. All it shows you is this moves that came up and retraced. That moves is finished. That is why you saw the red. The red. Use the candlestick to enter for up and forget about any other thing. You see another red. Red on the low. Use the candlesticks to enter and forget about every other thing you're thinking about. You see the red on the low. Okay. This is a flag. This red on the low shows the flag is over. Get this red and get in and forget about every other thing. Here, what are we waiting for? We are waiting for the red on the low. If we got to sit on our chart, we might be waiting for a bullish candlestick, which is enough for us to enter. We're waiting for it. But for a very good clarity, because of the eye, the color is good for the eye. We wait for the red on the low. When we see it, we're getting no problem. The move is not leaving us alone. You only see the red on the low, you get in. Even if you've gone out and you came back in, you didn't miss nothing. When you just see the red alone. Even if you see the green coming up later, the red you see here, get in. The red you see here, even if later you came back and you see green, because of the red on the low, get in. Red on the low, get in. Red on the low, we are waiting. We can see a bullish candle formation coming up. But later we're gonna see the red on the low. Get in. This is how we've been able to follow one pair. One pair we're following it. Red on the low because the trend is up. Red on the low, you wait for it. We wait for another fractal. Red on the low. A candlestick sit on the red fractal on the low. This is your buy entry. This one is a buy entry. This one is a buy entry. This is a buy entry. Red on the low, man, because the trend is up. Now, let us say you wake up in the day and you see this three chart that I'm looking at, then you go and see the let's forget about the NZD Let's forget about it because it's uptrend. Let's go to UJ, which is downtrend, or we go and look for something else that is downtrend. Let's go to USD card. The U card is a downtrend. Let's go see U card, a good example of a trending downtrend. Okay, let's go and see U card, U card, U card. If I don't see U card, okay, I see U card. Now, U card is a good example of a trend going down right now. This is U card right now going down. Like I told you on the uptrend, you wait for red on the low, but now it's a downtrend. Your entry should be the green above. The green above. Okay. The green above candlestick. Now you're gonna wait. What are you waiting for? I said it's either you see on a downtrend it's going to see that okay it broke this green here and it pull back to the moving average. But right now you're gonna wait for a bearish candlestick that shows volatility, but then you will see a green above that candlestick. That's your entry to the sell. That's your entry to the sell. This is how you follow one pair over and over again, making, compounding, and building your account. So this video is not gonna be long. It's just a kind of entry strategy that after you know the trend and after you know everything, let's go to UJ and see. After you know everything you gotta know, there's something you'll be doing. Now come. Look at us. Look at us on the UJ. The UJ is a downtrend. Now, what shall we be looking for? We should be looking for green on the high. Look at it's a downtrend. It gave you green on the high. Get in. You get these big moves. Okay. If you are the one who wanna be daily trading, taking your profit on a daily basis, good. You can get the moves and get out. But if you are the one that your mentality is to compound and follow the trend, even if this goes later against you, maybe pull back to where it started from, look, you will still get a green above candlestick. This is your entry to the sell downtrend. This is why the UJ now is about going down. You understand? So that is just it. Thank you. Thank you.